This past summer, SFO quietly jacked up prices at their long-term airport parking lot. There was a 40% increase for parking at the SFO long-term garage, from $18 to $25 per day. And valet parking is even higher at $45 per day. Frequent users of SFO's long-term lot weren't expecting such a dramatic price increase when they returned from their trips. The airport's rationale? They would like to see patrons use a variety of options available to get to and from SFO. One of those options is airport parking at Park and Fly. Just a freeway exit away from the airport, Park and Fly has convenient and timely shuttle bus service at each of SFO's terminals, at up to half the price for parking at SFO, whether at the self-park or valet lot. Park and Fly offers car washing and detailing services, as well as electric vehicle charging stations. For additional convenience when returning from their trips, customers simply text the dispatch center, prompting even faster shuttle bus service. And Park and Fly rewards its loyal customers with free parking through its frequent parker program. With 50 years of nationwide experience, Park and Fly consistently ranks one of the highest in customer review scores. Park and Fly is open 24/7, providing round-the-clock security and best-in-class customer service all year round.